Since the 1950s, Scania and Volvo have been fighting to have the strongest engine. But why exactly? Why has it been so important, and what is the story behind it? Let's find out. Volvo Trucks has just launched its latest marvel, the Volvo D17 engine, setting a new benchmark in the heavy-duty trucking industry. Designed specifically for the iconic FH16 truck series, this 17-liter engine boasts an unprecedented power output of up to 780 horsepower and a staggering 3,800 Nm of torque, which is just enough to outperform the Scania V8 engine with 770 horsepower and 3,700 Nm, making Volvo the strongest truck engine manufacturer in Europe. But why have Scania and Volvo always battled to have the strongest engine? Let's take a look back at the history behind the rivalry between Scania and Volvo. Let's go all the way back to the 1950s. In the 1950s, both Scania and Volvo were establishing themselves as prominent players in the truck manufacturing industry. Introduced in 1958, the Scania V8 L75 was one of the flagship models during this period. It was equipped with a robust inline six-cylinder diesel engine, commonly ranging in size from around 7 to 9 liters. These engines produce between 150 to 200 horsepower, depending on the specific variant and configuration. The L75 was popular for its strength and versatility, serving in roles ranging from long-haul transportation to construction and forestry. The Volvo L395 Titan was one of Volvo's flagship models during the 1950s. It was powered by a robust inline six-cylinder diesel engine, typically ranging in size from around 7 to 8 liters. These engines produce between 130 to 170 horsepower, known for their high build quality. The 1960s saw significant advancements in engine technology, with Scania and Volvo introducing more powerful diesel engines with improved efficiency. Turbocharging technology began to emerge, allowing for higher horsepower outputs and better performance. The Scania V8 LBT140 was one of Scania's notable models during the 1960s, featuring a robust engine and a reputation for reliability and performance. The LBT140 was equipped with an inline six-cylinder diesel engine, with a displacement of around 10 liters and produced between 220 to 250 horsepower. Also, the Volvo F88 was powered by an inline six-cylinder diesel engine, with a displacement of approximately 10 liters, producing between 240 to 260 horsepower, making it one of the strongest engines available in the 1960s. During the 1970s, Scania and Volvo continued to refine their engine offerings, with a focus on meeting increasingly stringent emissions regulations. The Scania 140 series was a significant release from Scania during the 1970s, featuring robust construction and powerful engines suitable for various heavy-duty applications. The Scania 140 series trucks were equipped with V8 diesel engines, with a displacement of around 14 liters, with an output of 320 to 350 horsepower. However, Volvo also launched a truck able to produce 350 horsepower. The Volvo F10 was one of Volvo's flagship models during the 1970s, renowned for its reliability, performance, and innovative features. The Volvo F10 was powered by an inline six-cylinder diesel engine, with a displacement of approximately 11 to 12 liters, matching the Scania 140's impressive 350 horsepower. In the 1980s, Scania and Volvo continued to battle for the strongest engine. Both companies introduced electronic fuel injection systems, enhancing engine control and performance. Competition between Scania and Volvo expanded globally, with each company seeking to establish a presence in new markets. Scania launched the legendary Scania R112-R142 series. This series of trucks were equipped with V8 diesel engines, with a displacement of approximately 14 to 16 liters, produced between 380 to 420 horsepower. And Volvo, the flagship model F12, powered by an inline six-cylinder diesel engine with a displacement of approximately 11 to 12 liters. The engines of the Volvo F12 produce between 380 to 420 horsepower, once again able to follow up with the bigger V8 from Scania. The 1990s marked a period of significant technological advancement for Scania and Volvo's engine. This decade, Volvo took the lead with new improvements on the Volvo FH12. It was now able to produce between 420 to 500 horsepower, powered by an inline six-cylinder diesel engine with a displacement of approximately 12 to 13 liters, where the Scania 4 Series trucks were equipped with inline six-cylinder diesel engines with a displacement of approximately 11 to 12 liters, producing between 400 to 470 horsepower. In the 2000s century, both companies invested heavily in research and development to meet increasingly stringent emissions regulations and customer demands for cleaner, more fuel-efficient engines. In the start of the 2000s, Scania launched the R Series with the newly developed V8 engine with an impressive 580 horsepower. However, a few years later, the Volvo FH16 was released with an engine outperforming 610 horsepower, beating Scania once again. During the 2010s, both Scania and Volvo continued to push the boundaries of truck engineering, offering models equipped with powerful engines to meet the demands of various industries. In 2010, Scania introduced the 730 horsepower variant for the R Series during this decade, which was among the highest horsepower ratings in the industry at the time. However, in 2011, Volvo upgraded the FH16, now being able to produce 750 horsepower, regaining the throne, powered by an inline 6-cylinder diesel engine with a displacement of 16 liters. For 5 years, Volvo had the strongest engine until the year 2016, where Scania came with the new generation Scania R and S series with the upgraded V8 engine performing up to 770 horsepower. The Scania 770 ruled as the most powerful truck engine in Europe for 8 years, until January 2024, where Volvo introduced an updated version of the FH16 with new exterior as well as a new 780 horsepower engine. The Volvo D17 engine, as it's called, isn't just about power, it's about efficiency and sustainability too. Engineered to deliver outstanding engine brake power across the entire speed range, it facilitates swift gear shifts, reducing wear and tear on brake components and enhancing overall efficiency, particularly during downhill descents. Furthermore, the engine is certified to run on alternative fuels such as HVO, hydro-treated vegetable oil, and biodiesel, offering customers greater flexibility and contributing to reduced carbon emissions. The Volvo D17 engine isn't merely an innovation, it's a game-changer for the trucking industry. Whether it's heavy industry, log transport, or long-distance haulage, the power and torque of this engine are poised to revolutionize operations across various sectors. But we haven't answered the question of why Scania and Volvo keep battling to be the strongest. Well, there is more than one reason for it, so let's take a look at them here. Both Volvo and Scania have historically been ambitious companies striving for market leadership not only in Europe but also globally. This drive for dominance has fueled intense competition between them, pushing each company to continuously innovate and improve their products, including engine technology. Volvo and Scania are renowned for their commitment to technological innovation. They invest heavily in research and development to create engines that offer superior performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions control. This dedication to innovation has led to a continuous cycle of improvements and advancements in engine design, with each company striving to outdo the other. The European truck market is highly competitive, with customers demanding powerful, reliable, and efficient trucks to meet their transportation needs. Both Volvo and Scania understand the importance of meeting these demands and continually strive to offer engines that deliver the highest levels of performance and reliability to their customers. Both Volvo and Scania have strong brand reputations built on quality, reliability, and innovation. They have loyal customer bases who expect nothing but the best from their products. As a result, there is significant pressure on both companies to maintain their reputation for producing top-of-the-line engines. European regulations regarding emissions and fuel efficiency have become increasingly stringent over the years. Both Volvo and Scania must comply with these regulations while still delivering powerful engines to remain competitive. This has led to further investment in engine technology to meet regulatory requirements without sacrificing performance. But what about the future? Now, with electric truck engines coming, will the rivalry end? As the future unfolds, the ongoing rivalry between Scania and Volvo may evolve beyond just horsepower competitions. While the pursuit of horsepower has been a hallmark of their competition, the future could see these two giants continuing to innovate and compete across various parameters to appeal to their respective customer bases. Time will reveal the extent to which electric truck engines and other emerging technologies reshape this dynamic competition. Who do you prefer, Scania or Volvo? Share your thoughts in the comments below.